Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, if you can't tell by the title, we're going to be playing with the new Powmade palette from Benefit. Yeah, I am super excited. They kindly sent me this little PR box, so we have some new pomades to try. I'm excited. I believe they did do a pomade before. I think it was like Kapow or something. Please let me know if I'm wrong. Cabrow? Was that pomade? I can't actually remember. However, if you do know, please let me know. But yeah, they've now launched the Powmade, which is a small little pomade which looks like this. So yeah, they sent me this cute little PR package. Thank you so much for Benefit for sending me this PR package. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna test out these pomades today. I am super excited. Let's jump into it. Okay, so they sent me like two different shades. They sent me 4.5 and 4. So I'm going to pull these out. They also did send me a cute little brush as well. So the pomades, or the Powmades, should I say, they retail for £19.50. They come in a cute little box. And then they do also sell the brush as well. This brush is £16.50, which has a spoolie on the end, and then it does have obviously the small angled brush, so you can use it for the pomade. Yes. So it also says on here as well that the built-in brush wiper, which is on the pomade, features 3 custom-made ridges for just the right amount of product every time for clean, controlled lines. No mess, no wiping on the back of your hand, and no wasted product. I can get on board with that. So like I said, they did send me 2 different shades. Let me pull these out of the packaging. This is actually waterproof as well. That's cool. 36-hour waterproof, smudge proof. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, the actual like packaging. Obviously it's like in a little tube. I love the packaging. Super cute. And then you open her up, and it does actually have the ridges there on the side. I actually really like that. So this is the shade 4. So this is a warm, deep brown shade. And then they also did send me 4.5. Now I usually do use the shade 4.5 for like when I'm using the brow styler or the Precisely My Brow pencil. So I think I'm going to go in with the shade 4.5, which is like this. This is a neutral, deep brown shade. So I'm going to use this. I am super excited to test this out. I'm actually so excited. I've never really been into pomades. I've had a couple like from Revolution, that kind of thing, but never really had a professional one. Like I've never tried the ABH one, that kind of thing. So yeah, I'm going to quickly, of course, going to get the little dual-ended brush out because yes. Ooh, there's actually like a plastic holder for it. I don't know how to get this out properly. Ooh, like it's a full plastic holder to like keep the brush in, which I actually like that. And this is the actual brush. It has the spoolie, and then on the other end it has the angled brow brush. So I'm going to brush through my brows first. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, then my brows are up. Oh, I am excited. So I'm going to dip in to, oh, it's quite creamy. Oh, I like that. I like that it has the little ridges. So I'm going to take this shade. Oh, I am so scared. I don't know why I'm so scared. Haven't used pomade in the longest time. My goodness, I usually use either the Browsings Pro palette, which has powders in it, or I use just like the brow stylus. That's obviously like a pencil. Like I'm not usually a pomade person. However, this could potentially change that. Okay. I don't know whether it's like just me, but I know that like a lot of people probably do their brows first with like pomade, and let me know. Like I used to do my brows first and then clean them up afterwards. However, I don't do that anymore. I'll clearly just go in, and I usually do my brows now like later on in my routine. I used to do like the fully structured brow thing, and now I just don't. I don't not like the look. It's just trying to get them perfect years ago was so hard. But oh my gosh, I actually like this. This is actually quite nice. The formula feels really nice. It's really easy to work with, I do have to say that. And look at my brow. Do this brow. I find that brows are like the hardest thing to do. I'm not too sure why. I honestly just find them the hardest thing to do. I feel like one brow always looks amazing and then the other brow just looks like a completely different person, to be honest with you. Like it just looks completely different. Like it looks like, I know that they're not meant to be twins, they're just meant to be like sisters, but sometimes I feel like my brows aren't even friends. Do you know what I mean? I feel like they're not even friends. Yeah. I'm very happy with how my brows are looking though. I am very happy. I like this. I didn't think I would. Honestly, when I used to use pomade, I was like, I didn't like it, and then I've just never tried it since because I'm like, I don't like pomades. But this has converted me back to pomades, I think. Like honestly and truly, it really has. It really has. And I like this. I am very happy with how my brows are looking today. We have a good brow day, and that is thanks to the Powmade. Powmade, I like that. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and I'm going to set my brows. Now, to set my brows, I use the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. This is like my favourite thing for setting my brows. I've used so many different brow products to set brows in place, and this one is just like my trusty brow set. I just really like it. I don't like when my brows feel like too stiff. I don't want them to be looking like they're glued down. That trend is just not for me. But yeah, I really like this. I like the way my brows are looking. My brows look good. I am happy with how my brows are looking. So yeah, really happy with this. So I'm gonna go ahead, just do the rest of my makeup off camera, and then I'll be back to kind of give you guys my final thoughts on this product. Okay guys, so I am back. I've just finished the rest of my look off camera. I have got a tutorial coming on this eye look here, so if it's not already up, it'll be up soon, but if it is up, I'll try and remember to link it in the cards or in the description box down below, or at the end of this video, that kind of thing. So yeah, final thoughts on the Powmade. Really like this. I like the packaging. I like how it's just sleek. It's quite, I don't know, it's just nice. It's not too in your face. It's just a nice, small, compact product. I really like the ridges that they have applied to the inside. I feel like I did actually use them, as you can see, and it's just meant that I've been able to dip back into the ridge to get more product if I've needed to, without like having it on my hand or like, you know, getting it everywhere. Like it's just been so much easier being able to apply it. I remember when I used to use pomade back in the day, I used to just have it all over my hand, and it wasn't nice. Like I don't like having to apply products to my hands Do you know what I mean? It's just not, I don't know, I just don't like it. So it's been so much easier having the ridge there as well. It's a really nice formula, nice and creamy. It's so easy to use. I also love the little brush as well. Like, I love this. This is amazing. I know that you can get like so many different angled liner brushes that you can use for brows, but yeah, I just really like this. You probably don't need it if you've got like a million of these. Like I have a million of these. However, I use this today and I really like it. So yeah, really easy to use. It's really creamy. I'm intrigued to see if it is waterproof and to see how long it lasts. I mean, it does say that it's smudge proof, waterproof, and what else did it say it was? A 36-hour wear. So yeah, I'm intrigued to see how long it lasts for. To be honest with you, I don't know about you guys, but brow products, I don't usually test them to see if they're waterproof. But and whenever it rains, like my brow products never come off anyway, but then again I do use Benefit ones, so they could just be that good. But yeah, really impressed with this. If you're looking to buy a new brow pomade, definitely pick this up. It's definitely a good pomade, and to be honest with you, I am really liking how my brows are looking. So this actually could be in my everyday makeup drawer. I'm probably going to put it straight in there after I film this. So yeah, if you were looking for a new brow pomade, definitely check Benefit out. This is amazing. I actually really like this. It definitely does the job. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, guys, and I really hope that this helped you out if you were eyeing this up. So yeah, please remember to like this video if you did like it, and subscribe to my channel as it really helped me out. So yeah, everything else I'm wearing on my face I'll of course link in the description box as always, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!